Hey guys, this is Melissa and Wendy's Factory Tour channel. Welcome to our canister shell factory. Today, I got a big item to introduce to you. This is plasma beam PS-015. Let's check out. I'm very strong. Personally, I like this very much because you see the graphic is very shocking. You know, it's just like some bombs attacking my heart and then blossom to big flowers in the sky. So personally, I really think this is a very fascinating item. Okay, we have 24 effects inside, and which you can see from the side from the serial numbers, and 12 here and 12 here. Normally, the canister shell boxes can also make a little bigger, you know, but due to the situation for the freight is pretty high, so we try to squeeze the CBM, the cubic meters, as smaller as possible. So it looks very tidy and very glossy. My colleague Melissa suggests next year that we can improve the box, you know, to the laser effect. It will look more high quality and sophisticated. Okay guys, you know, always seeing is believing. You can check our YouTube channel and track this item PS-015 to see the effects, and I'm also going to put the video behind my introductions. Thank you guys. Please stay in tune with us. Me and Melissa will bring lots of factory tour to you and to make our fireworks knowledge wider and wider. Thank you.